Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video I will show you, can MacBook Air M2 handle video editing? Now as you can see, I actually have a MacBook Air M2 right here in front of me. I'm recording on my MacBook Air M2 and I just want to share a couple of obviously experiences by handling and doing video editing on this computer as well. So obviously, the video editing can differentiate. So for example, what I have here is, if we go to settings here, you will be able to see on the general and about, you can see what I have here is Apple M2 8 gigabytes of RAM. We have Sonoma right here and around 200 gigabytes on the HDD. So when it comes to basic and medium editing, it's definitely handling it really well. And when it comes to advanced editing, is a bit more of a, it definitely has some downsides. If you are a editor that edits in After Effects, like heavily editing, heavy editing and stuff like that, I would recommend going with Pro, M2 or M3 right now. However, if you're someone that is editing videos on YouTube just like me and you want a light editing setup, then what I would do is I would definitely go and use MacBook Air M2 for basic and medium type editing. That's what I would do. So if you're doing like talking head videos without not many animations, I would definitely go with MacBook M2 Air. However, I would advise you that if you want like a heavy editing, you should definitely go for M2 or M3 MacBook Pro. So that's kind of my opinion on this. It's obviously my opinion, but you can share your feedback down below as well. It's a very short video, but this is what I kind of got out of using MacBook M2. So for those of you who are interested, again, this is what I would suggest. Basic medium type editing, MacBook M2 Air is great for that. However, if you want like a heavy editing, definitely go and use a better computer, which in this case is M2 or M3 MacBook Pro. So yeah, hopefully you guys find this useful. If you did, leave a like down below and we'll see you in the next video.